Welcome to Agri question and answers. Here we'll see the sowing methods. Dibbling, sowing behind the country plow, seed drilling and nursery transplanting. Here broadcasting means broadcasting is otherwise called as random sowing or scatter the seeds. Broadcasting is done for many crops. This is mostly followed for small sized to medium sized crops. This is the largest method of sowing followed in India since it is easiest and cheapest and requires minimum labors. This is actually line sowing, inserting the seed through a hole at a desired depth and covering the hole. This is practiced on plain surface, ridges and furrows or beds, channels. This sowing is practiced only under suitable soil conditions. Rice fallow cotton is dibbled on the plain surface. The seeds do not have contact with the fertilizers. This is done for wider spaced crops and medium to large sized crops. Example: sorghum, maize, sunflower, cotton are dibbled on the ridges and furrows. Next is sowing behind the plow. Sowing behind the plow, this is done by manual or mechanical means. Seeds are dropped in the furrows opened by the plow and the same is closed or covered when the next furrow is opened. The seeds are sown at uniform distance. Manual method is laborious and time consuming process. Seeds like red gram, cowpea, groundnut are the sown behind the country plow. Major sown crop is groundnut. Example is simple goru and guntakas. Next is drilling. Drilling is the practice of dropping seeds in a definite depth covered with the soil and compacted. In this method, sowing implements are used for placing the seeds into the soil. Both animal drawn gurus and power operator implements are available. Seeds are drilled at regular intervals in rows. Next is the transplanting. This method of planting has two components. First is nursery and transplanting. In a nursery, young seedlings are protected more effectively in a short period in a small area. After that, they transplanted into the main area. And for this, management is easy and economical. Thank you everyone. Do like, share and subscribe Agri question and answers.